What's the meaning of cattle? Cattle. Cattle.
Cattle. Cattle. The term cattle refers to a group of domesticated animals that are raised for meat, milk, and other products. Typically, cattle are bovine animals, such as cows, bulls, or oxen, but other species, like bison or yaks, are sometimes referred to as cattle as well. These animals have been an important part of human civilization since prehistoric times, providing food, leather, and other resources. Today, cattle are raised all over the world in both rural and urban areas, and play a significant role in many agricultural economies.